Hey everyone, Blake with RMG Real Estate here, and today I've got the most important, the best topic you've ever heard of. This topic is super helpful this time of year, and the topic is, when is the perfect time to encourage our clients to list their homes? When's the perfect time to bring their home to the market so that they can maximize their sales price and have the smoothest process? Now, here in Alaska, it's winter, it's dark, it's cold, and a lot of people think, well, let's just wait. Let's wait until May, and we're gonna go ahead and hit the market in May. And you know what? That's what everybody thinks. And so I want to encourage you with a new and maybe a little different take on this. So step number one is we're not making any choices for our clients. So our job is to communicate effectively. Our job is to give them the information and they make the choice. So this isn't trying to convince them, this is just giving them information, okay? But if you don't give them the information, they might be stuck making the old choice and the same choice that everybody else makes. So we want to give them the information. Now the information is, if you list your home right now, you have at least half as much competition as you will in the summertime. So if you wait and do all those honey-do list items to get your home fixed up and hit the market in May, you're gonna have way higher competition. So if you could, and it works out for you and your family, get your home on the market right now, you're gonna have way less competition. You don't maybe need to do those repairs, and you'll be able to get your home sold for a higher price compared to hitting the market at the same time every other person in your neighborhood is doing that. So for us as agents, this is really simple, a really simple tip, but just communicate with your clients, show them that graph of how many homes are on the market right now and how many traditionally hit the market in May. So what we've been showing our clients is a graph from 2023, 2024, and then this year, showing how many homes are on the market in the summer and how many are on the market right now, and just give that data to our clients. Hey, here's the information. What would you like to do with it? And you'll be surprised. A lot of people are like, oh, that makes sense. Let's go ahead and list right now. And so this is a great conversation to be having with your clients right now that might be waiting. There you go. That's the perfect time to list your property right now. Do it right now.